Check the type and specifications in the installation scenario before installing an AP to determine the installation method and required materials. In some scenarios, such as warehouse supermarkets, factory buildings, and garages, suspended ceilings are not available. Various metal pipes for fire protection, ventilation, and wiring are deployed below the roof. These metal pipes block AP signals. Therefore, threaded rod mounting is recommended in such scenarios. This mounting method will ensure the AP signals do not collide with metal pipes. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a threaded rod. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. As ceilings are unusually high, only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Do not insert a paper knife deeply into the box when unpacking to prevent damage to the device inside. To mount an AP on a threaded rod, the components and tools displayed above are required. The mounting bracket for a threaded rod must be purchased on the Unistar SCT. The threaded rod with a diameter of 8 mm, as well as expansion sleeves and bolts, need to be purchased by customers. Pre-assemble the accessories to facilitate installation. Pre-install the safety screws on the mounting bracket. Then, fix the threaded rod bracket to the back of the mounting bracket by fixing the M 3x8 screws into the Group E holes. Before installing the threaded rod, deploy the network cable in an appropriate position. Then install the threaded rod on the concrete ceiling where the network cable is deployed. The threaded rod must be cut to the required length before installation. Secure the mounting bracket at the end of the threaded rod and fasten the screw. Install the ground cable as required. Connect the cable to an interface on the AP according to your requirements. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. A click sound caused by the release lever indicates that the AP is mounted properly. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet fit into the mounting holes. Secure the safety screws. Bundle the cable on the threaded rod by using plastic ties to keep it orderly. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.